guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Nidhi Gandhi for the ones who are new over here and for the ones who have been following me for a really long time. I love you guys. Today I am going to show you guys what are my monthly favorites for the month of July, and without any further blabbering, let's just get into the video. The first product which I'm going to show you is this one. This is the Nykaa Wonderlust Japanese Cherry Blossom Shower Gel. Alright, this is how the bottle looks like. I generally don't use shower gel because they say that dry skin should always use body wash because they have a little moisturizer more than shower gel. Shower gel is basically not that thick, but body wash compared to shower gel are really thick. This lasted me for almost 2 months, and you just need 1 or 2 or maximum 3 drops of this one. And remember this thing very carefully. If you use shower gel, don't put on too much on your loofah, because otherwise you will always feel that there is some stickiness on your skin even if you take so much of water and try to remove it, but it's not gonna go off. You're gonna feel that stickiness. This costs for around 350 bucks for 300 ml, which I find pretty good because other body washes also comes for around 150. So it's gonna be same, so it's not gonna be a huge difference. Also, it smells really amazing. When you come out of the shower, you feel that you have come out of a spa. So that's a good point. I'm going to mention one thing about this variant, that they have a pack of 4 to 5 products in which there is going to be body mist, body lotion, body butter, somewhat like that, body mist and all of that, which can cost around 2,000, but during sale you're going to get less. So you can check that out also, because in total if you see, you are going to get a lot of products for almost very less price. Next product which I'm going to talk about is this cream from Blue Nectar. This is how it looks like. Just look at the packaging. Royal. Or amount of moisturizer it has. I think it's gonna last me pretty long, so let's see. And it smells somewhat like sandalwood and green apple. It says that it evens your skin tone, it brightens your skin tone and give a radiant skin, which I feel it's true because I've been using it from almost 2 weeks, and when I wake up in the morning after putting it on during the night before going to bed, it gives me such a sheer glow on my skin. I am not kidding you guys. This is around 800 rupees. I'm not really sure. I'm gonna mention all the prices in the description box or over the screen, but this is really good. Like, obviously if you see the quantity, 800 is fine. The next product which I'm going to talk about is the Studio West Radiance Almond and Peach Deodorant Body Spray. It's from Westside. They have like 4 to 5 variants. This one smells really amazing. This is my all-time favorite. I use it during the day and lasts me till like 7 or 8 o'clock when I'm home or I'm out for office or any work. This is my go-to product. So without any second thoughts, you just buy this product and you're not gonna regret it. I'm telling you guys. And this costs for around 225 bucks, which is pretty good for this much. The product which I'm gonna talk about is the press powders from Etude. I don't know much about this brand, but I got it from my sister. Like, she got it for me. They have fall off, but they are really good. Like, if you put concealer and then you put this thing, it is good, and the pigmentation really good. And the most important part is it doesn't come off that easily. It stays there if you put like after concealer. Know the pigmentation or for how long it stays on your eyes, best thing is to check my Instagram video. Don't forget, and if you don't follow me over there, go follow me right now. Next product which I'm going to talk about are these wires from Amazon. They are really handy. They are long lasting. These are actually the iPhone wires which you plug in with the socket, and these are really good. This one is from Amazon Basics, and they have 3 different variants. The one is the ultimate smaller size. The second one is this one, which I have. Like, this is the size. Can you see that? Yeah, almost this much. And the third one is the longest one, which for the people who have this problem at their home, that उनका switch board से bed बहुत दूर है और उनको बैठ के charge करना पड़ता है वहाँ पे ही. So This is the rescue. You can really check this out. You're not gonna regret it. So my monthly favorite movie was Kissing Booth, The Kissing Booth Part 2, and I absolutely loved it. If you really want to watch it, do watch Part 1 and then watch Part 2, because there is no continuation, but you will be able to understand the story. Otherwise, you won't get it, right? The story about all the youngsters, and it is about love, friendship, family. There are some rules of friendship you cannot break and all of that, like what we do during our college life and all of that. So I really loved it. I enjoyed watching it. So if you want to watch something like that, you can watch it on Netflix. I'm gonna share my monthly favorite song, which is Intentions by Justin Bieber. This song is something, I love the first line which is gonna come. It's your perfect, you don't need no filter. God just made them drop dead, you a killer. Shower you with all my attention. These are my only attentions. Stay in the kitchen cooking up, get your own bread. Heart full of coffee, you're an accent. Make sure that you don't need the mentions. These are my only intentions. This is it for my today's video. I hope you guys like it. If you do, don't forget to like it, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, so every time I upload a video, you be the first one to watch it. Also, I will try to keep you updated as much as possible with new content, as well as my monthly favorites. Least I can do is. So until then, bye guys.